This interview is over. You are dismissed and discharged. Please get out of here.
What they wanted was headline. I thought they were dismissed. So what? They can go and hang.
What happened yesterday was very unfortunate from both the side of the commission and the side of the interviewee, the Deputy Attorney General, and of the commission saying I will take him to the president. But you have jurisdiction under the law to handle such situations. So why are you referring back? We've had incidents before where she has taken actions against certain individuals. Are you saying that now this one is mighty and you can't? All these things of refer, go hang, they don't resonate well with us, the taxpayers. But I also think that some of the questions they ask cause a lot of unease. And I think those are some of the things we are seeing. But if I express my view and say you can take it to God if you want, is that an act of indiscipline? Again, the code of conduct that governs lawyers has strict aspects of indiscipline and what categorizes indiscipline. And I don't think what the Attorney General did outside the commission would amount to indiscipline. The reason a judge respects me is because I refer to him as my lord. The reason I respect him is because he conducts himself with the decorum deserving of respect. And I think both parties ought to reevaluate themselves. We are not going to pick sides that the Deputy Attorney General was right. He was not. We are not going to pick sides that the commission was right. It was not. The way the parties conducted themselves in the eyes of the public was wrong. And they ought to remember that this is a noble profession that calls for respect on both sides. This is a noble profession that calls for decorum, that even when I disagree with you, I don't call you an idiot or I don't use derogatory terms.